Hello and welcome. If you are new here, I'm glad to have you, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back. Today for you, I have Ipsy. So I am currently not doing Ipsy versus Ipsy with my daughter. She just has a little too much going on in her life right now to be able to join me. So unfortunately, I did cancel her bag just because I have a love-hate relationship with Ipsy and I really have no need for another Ipsy bag. I mean, I like the full-size products that comes with Ipsy, but sample sizes are just kind of here nor there for me. So I did cancel her bag. She's just got a little too much going on in her life right now, but I will unbag my Ipsy. So as you can see, it is the Tetris theme, just like the Ipsy Plus was, and it comes with this cute little brush. So, and also you can see a box back here. And I do want to just briefly mention that I did have to revise my Patreon. I am still learning, but it's still there. I just had to make a few tweaks to it. So let's pull this out. I will definitely keep this brush. That's really cute. It's not circular, it is square, and it has like the little Tetris thingies on it. So that is really cute. I like that. And then, and that's like plastic too. That's kind of cool. So instead of the tab or the little pulley saying Ipsy, it has a Tetris thing. And then it does say Ipsy on the side here, but on the other side it says Tetris. So that's really super cute. I like this bag. And it does come with a pamphlet which tells you your items. I do not think Ipsy tells you how much things cost. It does not look like it. I can never remember. So the first thing I am pulling out here is I cannot pronounce that, but it is a super restorative sleeping mask. And that is cool. Let's see what this says. So it's Soric. I'm not gonna even try, but it's focus. Can you see that? Can you see? There we go. So it says it's pure natural ingredients. This sleeping mask nourishes your skin overnight so you wake up glowing. It is silicone free and it absorbs easily. So that is cool. So I'm just assuming it's just like a thicker night cream. There we go. I can't find the words today. The next thing I am pulling out here is Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mud Cleanser. So it is just a face cleanser, and it says get your glow on with the gentle exfoliating cleanser. Okay, that's cool. I'll be interested in giving that a try. The next thing I am pulling out here is, wow, this bag is super skincare heavy. Holy crap. Okay, so my profile actually does say that I prefer things to be makeup heavy. Everything in here is skincare related. This is a primer. Generally, primers are also skincare related. So this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair primer, safe for sensitive skin. So I mean, that's cool too. I do love First Aid Beauty products, and I don't really stray outside of my primer comfort zone, but it is FabFitFun, and I do have I just really can't find the words today. What are all the words? Not a foundation, but a BB cream. A BB cream. So that is cool. And then the next thing it looks like I have here is a Hey Honey Sweet Treat Yogurt Recovery Mask. And that'll just go right in my mask basket. I do love a good mask. So again, this bag was very skincare heavy. And then I got a makeup brush. So that's a little strange for me, but I mean, I don't hate it, not even a little bit. I will use all of this stuff, so that's great. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.